question for you all, which says a plus b equals to abc, b plus c equals to abc, and c plus a also equals to abc. And what is the value of a, b, and c? So let's name these equations as 1, 2, and 3 so that it is easier for us to work with. Now what we are going to do is the first step, equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So what we are going to get, a plus b minus, the second is b plus c. So we are subtracting, and that's equal to abc minus abc. So here we have a plus b minus c is equal to 0. Plus b minus b gets cancelled, so we have a minus c is equal to 0. A is equal to c. Now let's subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So when we subtract 2 minus 3, what do we get? We have second equation as b plus c minus the third one is c plus a is equal to abc minus abc. So what can you conclude from this? B plus c minus a is equal to 0. C gets cancelled, so b minus a is equal to 0. Therefore we have b is equal to a. So here you can see that a is equal to b, a is also equal to c. Hence we can say that a is equal to b is equal to c. All the three values are same. Now from equation 1, what was our equation 1? A plus b is equal to abc. Now let's substitute the other values as a plus a, b is a, and here we have a times b is a and c is also a. So here I have 2a is equal to a cube. Let's bring 2a this side. So we have a cube minus 2a is equal to 0. And now what we're going to do, take out a common, a times a square minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have two conditions. A is equal to 0 is the first value. Let's name it as 1. a1 equals to 0. And the second is a square minus 2 is equal to 0. So here you have a square is equal to 2. So what is the value for a is plus or minus square root of 2. So this is the second and third value. So we have got three values for a. That is a1 is equal to 0, a2 is equal to plus root 2, and a3 is equal to negative root 2. So here, as we found that a is equal to b is equal to c, it has three values. One is 0, there is plus root 2, and another is negative root 2. Either this or this or this. Thank you so much for joining.